Thanks, Shane.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Tastes delicious.
A nut you can drink. I did not expect that.
And that's not its only surprise. This is the coconut meat.
It doesn't look like meat.
Well, it isn't really meat. People just call it meat. Oh, yum. But I just call it tasty.
If you say so, Shane.
Right. Come on, Izzy. Let's get the food prepared. I can make coconut milk with this, and with this rice, chicken, tomatoes and spinach, we have everything we need. Come on, Izzy. Let's get cooking. There you go, job done. Coconut Calypso chicken. Thanks for the help, Izzy.
No problem, Dad.